Hello everyone, my name is David and I recently bought this Sunfounder Arduino kit. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you what's in the box and transferring it over to a bigger box because this little box isn't quite cutting it. I mean everything's in here, but I think I need a little bit more room. So let's open up the box, let's get started. I bought this on eBay a couple months ago, but I had a Sparkfun project, which was much easier to follow. And you'll see why. The directions and everything are a little bit more complicated, but now that I have some basic experience with the Arduino and following the directions and knowing what to do, I think I'll be a little bit better in some of the projects that are listed here. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we have here. And I'm not an expert. Like I said, I'm kind of new. But there's probably a packing list here. Looks like, let's begin with the breadboard. You can see that the breadboard compared to the Sparkfuns is it's a long one. There's plenty of places to put circuits. There's a adhesive backing on the back. Looks pretty good. So I'll put it in the bigger box. What I liked about this one is that the diversity of between the Sparkfun and this one had a lot of, it was less money, and it looks like there's more complex stuff that you can do here. So this is why I bought two of them. So looks like a remote control. Interesting to find out what this is going to be all about. Looks like I have an LCD type of display. And you can see that there's some plastic covering it. I'll put this away. This is kind of interesting too. This is the USB cable for the computer, and also it could be for power. They're using sort of like a printer type of, if you can look here, like the printer type of USB cable instead of like a mini or a standard USB. I've seen this a lot. I'm gonna put this over here. We got some. I think integrated chips, more display stuff, and this is actually the box. This is the This is the Uno. So we'll just pop it out of the box and see what it's all about. Oh boy. Whoops. Okay, here we go. This is the Uno. It's always interesting to find out what's on the back of these things too. So here you go if you need to stop the video. So I'll put this away over here. The batteries didn't come included with this, but I brought this. This is like your external power, and you can see the type of power socket that comes included. Power connector. So we got 6 AA batteries if we need this type of power to run it. I have no idea what this is yet. Looks like some type of add-on. Looks like a little breadboard on top. This is a DVD or a CD-ROM. I think it has the code on it. Probably some instructions. And I'll put this over here on the side. Now this is the problem with this book, is that this little guide is so small and tiny that I need to take out my magnifying glass. I wear glasses, so this book was, I don't think it was as good as the Sparkfun one, and it goes a little bit more. It's a little bit more complex in the way it sets it up. So I'll be following along this book and also with the information that's on the CD. This is what people talk about all the time. that you get this interesting bookmark when you buy this. Kind of cute. I'll put this in the bigger box. This is a very, I guess it's a some type of motor, a stepper motor. Putting it in my hand, it feels very heavy. Oh, I have a lot of wires here. These are a little bit shorter than the ones that the Sparkfun had, and a couple of longer ones too. I guess I can mix. I can swap out wires from the other pack. So I'll put this over here. Get this rainbow colors. I think this is called the male and the female. We'll see what this is all about later. And we got some white LEDs. We got another type of motor here. I have no idea what this is yet. Figure it out. I think it's supposed to be a joystick. It's like a lot of buttons, a lot of push buttons. So I'll put this in the new box. This way we have a lot of room. I don't know what this is yet. We'll figure it out. I have no idea what this is either. We'll figure it out. This is a potentiometer, I guess. Turn it on and off. Here's another one. Okay, these are some light emitting thingies. Really don't know how they're going to use it in the examples, so this will be kind of fun. And I'll just put this in the box as well. And this is something else. I don't think we work with. Maybe this is a. I don't know. Thanks, everyone. And that was what's in the box. Goodbye.